2 years ago, I've opened my channel. And now, 300 videos later and 290 subscribers later, it is time to ask, was it worth it? 2 years after my first video is a good time to reflect on what I have learned from the YouTube experience. First, I've learned that content alone is not a business. I learned that views don't equal income. Some of my videos hit thousands of views, others just a dozen. It felt productive, but it did not move money towards my way. I started making videos when I had curiosity and time. I stopped making videos when I needed a cash flow. That's the simple truth. I have learned that a channel without a monetization machine behind it is a hobby, not a business. Second, I've learned that my brain explodes with ideas and frameworks, but execution dies without constraint. My channel jumped from one idea to the next. This is not disorganization. This is unfiltered ADHD without a container. My problem was not creativity. My problem was creativity without a defined product pipeline, and YouTube punishes that. And so, I stopped making videos because I reached the limit of unpaid creativity. Without a specific niche or a content engine, I no longer had the patience or the spare energy to put into this channel. This is why I stopped. I am not sure where this channel will go next, nor when I will post regularly again. What I do know is that next time I return, it must be a business, not a hobby. Whatever I will do, it will be one niche, one format, one promise to the audience, one product behind it. I will choose one lane I can marry for 6 months, a lane that has the highest interaction of my expertise, my brand potential, my ability to teach, and my need for monetization. If you're curious to know what that is, you're more than welcome to hit the subscribe button. So, 2 years after opening the Story Gibbons channel, was it worth it? It was, not for the numbers, but for the clarity it forced on me. I learned what kind of a creator I am, what kind of business I'm not running yet, and what the next version of my channel must become. It wasn't a loss. It was a necessary wake-up call that finally pointed me towards the right direction. Until we meet next, I was Lee Heckman.